Humanity is facing an existential moment in confronting the climate crisis. The world's energy systems still depend heavily on fossil fuels, the production and use of which generates methane and carbon dioxide, powerful greenhouse gases that cause global warming. A significant fraction of emissions come from a relatively small population of super emitters, so near-term action can have an immediate and substantial climate benefit. There is currently only sparse direct monitoring of methane and CO2 emissions globally, and actionable data at the scale of individual facilities is still very limited for most regions. Action over the next 10 years will be critical to bend the curve on methane and CO2 emissions. Frequent facility-scale monitoring over large areas is required to provide operators and regulators with the information they need to guide decision-making. Carbon Mapper exists to help accelerate action to mitigate human impacts to Earth's climate and ecosystems. Through a unique public-private partnership between institutions specializing in science, technology, policy, and philanthropy, Carbon Mapper's goal is to make methane and CO2 emissions visible, transparent, and actionable. Carbon Mapper's plan has 3 parts. Part 1 involves using advanced remote sensing technology like high-flying aircraft and advanced infrared imaging spectroscopy to pinpoint methane emissions in oil and gas regions like the Permian Basin, the largest oil-producing area in the world, and at landfills. Part 2 includes a satellite constellation designed to detect 80% of global methane and CO2 superemitters. The first 2 demonstration satellites will launch in 2023, followed by a larger constellation offering daily sampling starting in 2025, enabling actionable information for rapid leak detection and operator notification in as little as 24 hours. The third part of the plan is focused on maximizing impact by engaging stakeholders in industry, government, and civil society to understand their data needs, as well as supporting continued research to advance science-based decision support. By providing data that is precise, timely, and accessible, the Carbon Mapper program contributes unique capabilities to help solve one of the world's most pressing problems. And with the help of our partners, we will improve situational awareness of methane and CO2 and help companies, regulators, consumers, and citizens find collective solutions that accelerate climate action.